Error 3. Welcome to this video. I am sorry you're facing difficulties, but we are going to fix this error 3 super quick and easy. Let's start with explaining the error itself. Error 3 tells you that the water, which is leaving the Opticlimate through the warm water outlet, is too warm, namely warmer than 57 degrees Celsius. If the error message appears when the unit has been in use for some time, too little or no water flow through the unit, the pressure may be set too high. It should not exceed 2.2 MPa. Now we know what the problem is, it's time to repair this error. Determine how much water is running through the unit. Use a bucket and a stopwatch to determine the flow in litres per minute from the warm water outlet. Please see the overview on the screen to determine the correct flow for your Opticlimate. Not enough water flow can be caused by several issues. Firstly, not enough water is entering the unit. Determine how much water is entering the unit by taking the water inlet off and measure the flow with a bucket and stopwatch, the same way you have measured the water outlet. Secondly, the water filter behind the water inlet is clogged. Open the unit at the right side of the unit and find the water filter. Open the cover and clean the water filter. In addition, you can regulate the valve adjustment. Regulate the flow by turning the valve fully clockwise. Then turn counterclockwise to adjust the correct flow. Error 3 can also occur when there are too many units on one water line. When using more than one unit on one water line, make sure that the water flow of one unit doesn't affect the others. Use the correct diameter water line and always make a water loop to connect units. Another issue is that the water outlet is frozen or blocked. The warm water drain must be open and clean at all times. Protect in- and outgoing water lines from freezing in the winter. Regulating the clogged valve. When the automatic water valve is clogged, it must be replaced. Cleaning is not an option. The unit can still be used when bypassing the valve by using the middle water outlet connection instead of the upper one. After you have managed this, please press and hold the R button to erase error 3 on your Opticlimate control panel. I hope all worked out well for you and that the error has now been resolved. Should you require any additional assistance, please do not hesitate to contact us.